Whoa, dude, they're just dancing around each other.
Big, dude. Let's go. Coming straight towards us at 28 knots. If it starts to beef up any greater for now, we'll just go a little bit south and just follow it.
Alright, what's up everyone? We are currently South Kansas, waiting for some storms to fire up. Also, you know, Oklahoma's in play as well.
Yeah, still waiting to look at this. So when you're looking for storm initiation, you want these cumulus fields to pop up, because you can see up here in the beginning it's just these little clouds, and then they pop off into storms and they move off. So we're waiting for that same thing to happen a little bit further down the dry line. We're probably about right here, and we've got that deepening cumulus field just off to our west there. We might bust down south. I'm on the north radar and it doesn't look very good.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you think?
South one's discreet too, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty discreet. It also it keeps getting these weird. I say we go down there.
Real quick.
We should get on I-35 and go south. Yeah, guys, we're passing through a hailstorm right now. We're about to be clear here, and we'll be able to see out to our west. All right, guys, got a good visual on it now. I think something's dropping in the back.
Oh, I see it. Tornado right there.
Tornado on the ground, guys.
Right there.
Let's go. Ready?
Yeah. We're repositioning, guys. Getting in a safer spot. I don't think it's fully down. It's hard to tell if there's ground circulation or not.
Two tornadoes. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Stunning.
Whoa, dude, they're just dancing around each other.
Dancing.
Of course, I'm losing signal.
Amazing.
Get up there.
Wow, look at that thing go, dude. Okay, it's going to our right now. We're solid. Oh, wow.
Our storm has a lot of cells firing off the tail end of it and is shrouding the updraft region and the tornado region in marine. So we're going to go a little bit further east, and we're actually going to bail south and try to get on a tail end storm. Right there. So man, that freaking inflow, man, is so sick.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you can see more content just like this, as well as our live stream so you can see the storms develop in real time. Thanks for watching.